I'm Ludovic Bailly-Chouriberry. I reached LCH in 2004 for my PhD studies before being appointed lab director in 2017. LCH is a laboratory dedicated to horse drug testing. We are part of IFICHE, International Federation of Horse Racing Authorities certified lab, and we are also FEI reference lab. LCH is accredited ISO 17025 for horse matrix, blood, urine and hair, and we are also accredited for jockey's urine and camel urine as well. So the collaboration with Thermo Fisher Scientific started in 1995, where we look after chromatography liquid triple quadrupole in order to switch from ELISA, which were less robust. So the new challenge is the continuous release of product substances from internet. Most of them are released from pharmaceutical companies, but there's also other product that contains molecules that are not allowed. So the number of targets we have to monitor in plasma or in urine is increasing a lot since the past 10 years. And saying that, I'm also talking about their potential metabolites. We know that we can monitor sometimes some interesting metabolites, even in plasma, that require a special hydrolysis. So when we develop a screening method, we never compromise between throughput and sensitivity. So at LCH, for the purpose of detection of horse doping, triple quadrupoles remains one of the gold standard for the screening of many families of drugs. In the case of LCH, we switch from 3cc to 96 well plates in order to have a better production of samples. That's why we decided to use our Thermo Scientific TSQ Altis and Thermo Scientific Vanquish for the detection of many compounds in plasma. So as we have a high number of samples, we have around 200 samples to be analyzed at LCH per day, we need to reduce as much as we can without compromise the runtime of the chromatography. But that needs to have higher speed and higher polarity switching mass spectrometers to detect our compounds either in negative or positive mode. The other interesting things that LCH and France more generally is interested in is what we call green chemistry. I mean that we want to design sample preparation without using too much tough chemistry, derivatization. The ionic chromatography allows us to respect the green chemistry in routine. This is something we are very happy with. So from a daily basis, we have high number of samples to be analyzed, and we need to split some portion of that activity to technicians. So the most user-friendly software we have, it's a full benefit for a laboratory because that allows us to help technicians to understand what they do with the software and to share engineers and PhD work that can be also done by technicians. To conclude, we are very happy to see the development of the new TSQ Plus in order to stay at the forefront of the horse drug testing.